This is the Google Pixel Watch, and it might just be the best smartwatch out there for most people. It's been great to use the Pixel for a few weeks now, but I've also used a lot of its top competitors as well in the past. There are definitely some things I wish I knew before buying, since it would have made my decision easier. Inside the box is the Pixel Watch itself, 2 sizes of wristbands, a USB-C magnetic charger, and the quick start guide. Getting the Pixel up and running is pretty simple. First, charge it up and download the Google Wear OS app on either an Android or Google Pixel smartphone. Then pair the smartphone with the Pixel Watch through Bluetooth, and follow the instructions on the app from there. I found the Pixel really easy to use right from the start. It's very intuitive. Swiping down from the top opens a quick settings panel for things like airplane mode, battery saver, and do not disturb. Swiping up from the bottom, you'll find the notification panel, where all the alerts live. Swipe right for Google Assistant and swipe left for tiles. These are handy shortcuts to things like fitness data or the weather. It also has a rotating crown to scroll, which is a nice touch. And there are 2 customizable buttons on the side for features that are going to get a lot of use. The integrated Google Assistant is actually very convenient. Makes it super easy to access things like Google Maps, Wallet, Gmail, Music, set reminders, pretty much all the big tools you could need. And the hands-free support that works very well just makes it that much easier to use. The Pixel looks and feels really great on the wrist. The circular design has a cool dome effect to it and a nice stainless steel finish. It has a lot of watch face options that can be changed up to go with any style, and there are over 20 wristband options to choose from, too. The images and text were nice and sharp on the OLED screen. And the Pixel has a handy always-on feature for when quick glances are going to be used a lot, or that may be even a preferred mode day to day. The Pixel is overall a pretty amazing combination of help from Google and health from Fitbit. It includes heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and 40 different exercise modes, and gives all the stats on all these things nice and clearly on the device. Taking this for a run using the running mode automatically tracks the route, heart rate, and calories burned, and gives a clear rundown of all those results. But one thing I enjoyed was pairing that with things like guided breathing that is also built directly in the smartwatch, which was really cool to see. The Pixel does all-day activity tracking. That's very handy because movement can really add up over the day, and this gives a quick read on how your day is going. It's water resistant up to 50 meters, so it was great to not have to worry about it when I went for a swim or for showers after working out. The Pixel Watch is kind of like a mini smartphone. It receives calls, texts, emails, and app notifications right on the device. It's always connected because it has built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. And there is a 4G LTE version too. That version lets you leave the smartphone at home entirely because it connects through the 4G network directly. The battery is good for up to 24 hours, so that's really convenient and gets to 80% charge in less than an hour. The Google Pixel Watch is a really incredible and super useful piece of tech. It's a perfect blend of style, productivity, and tracking, and that's all packaged into one great-looking device. It's easy to use it to measure fitness activities, heart rate, and other health factors like stress levels, to monitor sleep, and to connect with people. And the voice control with Google Assistant makes it all super convenient. That's all for this video. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.